Hi, my name is Norris, and in this tutorial I'm going to walk you through how to set up your one-page layout in Acid theme. So I have this demo page here, and I've imported some of the sample content, but this in no way looks like the one-page layout. So let's set that up. I'm going to open up the dashboard, and the first thing we need to do is go under Pages and add a new page. And I'm going to call this page, for example, one page layout. And notice that I have to set the template to be layout one page. And now I'm going to publish this page and go under settings and reading. And I want to set my front page to be a static page. So I'm going to select front page to be one page layout. And I also have already set up a blog page, which is just an empty page. There isn't even a special template in here, but it's necessary for WordPress to have something to point at. So I'm going to close this back down and select the posts page to be blog. And now that we have done that, we need to go to Appearance, Menus, and you can see under Theme Locations, there is a theme location called Acid One Page Contents. And you need to create a menu for that. So you have to click on this little plus sign right here. And I'm going to call this my one page front page. It doesn't really matter what you call it, as long as you know what it means. And then in theme locations under one page contents, you can select one page front page. And now all we need to do is add a couple of pages. And I'm just going to select my recent posts, services, and about me. Click Add to Menu. And here you can see we have the 3 pages. Now I have to save my menu and reload the page. And here we go. We have my recent posts, my services, and about me. Now if I want to change the order of this, I can easily move myself up a little bit and move the recent posts to the end. Save the menu again. Reload the page. And there we go. About me, my services, and my recent posts. So the one-page layout works really well if you want a nice way to present yourself to your visitors. You can add in things like recent posts, your services, about me, and so on. Now you also have full control over the widths of each of your pages. So for example, if I wanted the About Me to be a little wider, I would just click Edit. And now if I scroll down a little bit, I can set the width of each page. So for example, instead of 520 pixels, I could have 1520 pixels. Update the page. And now if I open up my index page again, you can see that we have a ridiculously wide About Me section. Now of course you wouldn't want that. And that's why I'm going to change that back to 520. And you see that we have all sorts of other options in here as well. For example, page background color, page font color, title background color, title font color. And you can even change the featured image. Most of the time, the featured image in WordPress is the thumbnail image. That's not true for pages in Acid theme. In Acid theme, the featured image is going to be your background image for the page, and it's going to be repeated in the background. So let's set this pattern that we have in here to any other image that I have in my library, and I'm just going to pick this roof pattern in here. So I'm going to set that as my featured image, update my post, and reload. And now you can see I have a roof image in the background. Now if I would set the width to be ridiculously wide again and reload the page, you can see that the roof pattern is repeating. So be careful when setting your page background images. On the other hand, this might be something you would do on purpose. For example, if you wanted to set a background pattern image, you could easily upload any pattern you like and then have it repeated in the background of your page. I'm just going to go back and fix the changes I made. I'm just going to remove the featured image and go back once again to 520 pixels. So as you can see, it has been really easy to create a one-page layout. And there is just one more thing I would like to do, and that is to create a new page and add that page into the menu so you can see the whole process. I'm just going to call this page goodbye. And I'll set the content to be bye-bye. And now scroll down, set the page background color to be some sort of light blue. Make sure the page font color is set to black. Set the page title background to a darker blue. And change the font color to be white. Now if I'm not going to enter a pixel width, it's going to default to 960 pixels. And I'm fine with that, and I'm going to leave it as is. Now I can click Publish. I have to go to Appearance, Menus, and add my goodbye page to my one-page front page menu. So I'm going to select that in here, add to menu, save the menu, reload the page, and scroll to the end of the page, and there we go. So I hope that you now have a clear understanding about how the one-page template works and about the endless possibilities that it offers. So thank you for watching, and for the latest updates, follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, and thank you for watching.